Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at place ordering. When you have a set of adjectives, how do you arrange them? Which one should come first? Big, black, little, ugly, Nigerian boxes. How do you know the one to put first? Is it the big? Is it the ugly? Is it the Nigerian? Before the box, how do you arrange the adjectives when they are plenty, when they are many? How do you do that? So, how do we arrange a set of adjectives or words? Example, when we have words like these three weak, big, square, old, brown, wooden, well-decorated Nigerian boxes. How do you put it? Do you say these Nigerian, weak, square, big, well-decorated boxes? Or do you say these square, old, weak, well-decorated? How do you mix? How do you put it? So actually there's a standard formula that you can use to know the adjective to put first before the other. And that's what we're going to be learning today. So this formula is known as DOENH. D-O-E-N-H. So once you place your adjectives according to this very formula, you're going to get the right arrangement. So what does D stand for? D stands for there, take, and the group of words that are under this D that should be put first are a, the, little, some, many, few, these, that, a lot, several, much, a little. Now, so whenever you see a combination of adjectives that have these words, so you should always pick out these words first. After this group of words, then you talk about the ordinators. So under the ordinators, we have words like one, first, two, second, 10, tenth, seventh, seventh. Now, after any of these, then you have the epithets. And these epithets could be subjective or objective. Subjective epithets are those adjectives that once you see it, it's not clearly, another person may be saying that this is good, the other person will be saying that this is not it. So once it's subjective, then you call it, you put it first before you put the objective one. And words like strong, somebody can see somebody and say this person is strong, and the other person sees that same person and says this person is not strong. So once it's a subjective word, good, somebody that is good to you may actually be bad to the other person. Durable, handsome, you understand? Then after such words, you have objective, the ones that are the same, true, the ones that are true for everybody, like size. If you say that something is big, something is heavy. Shape, something that is square for me, square for you. Age, a 20-year-old for me is also a 20-year-old for you. Material, the material that something is made up of. The particle and so those are those for epithets. Then you talk about nominal. Nominal, you're talking about the origin or the maker of that very product. So you talk about Nigerian, so Nigerian boxes, American, Igbo, Asian. Now we talk about head. Head is the actual thing you're describing. That comes last. Like here you are describing about boxes. So the thing you're describing comes last. So it could be chair, could be bag, could be car, could be dress. So anything you're describing comes last. So example is when you say Mrs. Ojo was one of the first two enlightened young ladies. So you should always know how to put together your adjectives whenever you see them. You should know the ones to come first, the ones to come second, third, and last. So make sure that you're picking these. That, a little, much, several first, after which you pick the ordinators 1, first, 2, second. Talking about the numbers, you understand? This one is talking about like the starting word. After which you now pick the epithets. Epithets, the subjective ones first, the ones that you're not sure that could be anything. Then the objective, the ones that are very straightforward. Secondly, then you pick out the nominal, the makers of what you're describing. What you're describing, where is it coming from? Nigerian, American, Igbo, Asian. Then you pick out the word itself, the article you're describing. So that is how you go about place ordering. Place ordering is very, very important. It comes out in JAM, it comes out in WAEC almost every year. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns concerning what we've been teaching you, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. God bless you.